Ajasa. If not for anything, you have to love Yoruba names for one thing. They can be very philosophical. This is why I enjoy Yoruba onomastics. There is a lot of wisdom buried in the very names that we bear. Take Ajasa for an example. Ajasa. You know, the Yoruba have a proverb that Majamasa lafi moake konju. Now, what is Ajasa? The ja there means to fight, obviously, and sa means to run or to escape. So what is Ajasa, or who is an Ajasa? The A that starts that name is what I call a noun maker, whose meaning can be said to be he who. An Ajasa is therefore he who fights and runs, literally. But what does that connote? This is a name given to a child who is expected to be very, very wise, very clever, and patient. Ajasa is an Oriki given to a male child who is expected to grow up into an adult with full control over his own temper. Yes, boldness is required to fight, but even that kind of boldness is inferior to the level of boldness a man must possess before he can say no to fight. Imagine being able to beat somebody in a fight, yet restraining yourself from fighting. That there is strength, and that is an Ajasa. But on another level, that name also means that an Ajasa is a humble person. He is humble enough to know when he has been defeated and can therefore retreat to come back better prepared. Majamasa lafi moaki konju. A warrior that knows when to fight must also know when to retreat. We live to fight another day. Imagine the number of philosophical thoughts embedded in just a single name. Ajasa. This name, interestingly, is also an Amutorunwa name. Check the Amutorunwa section for the meaning of that one. But as an Oriki, that is the meaning of Ajasa. Ọmọ tó mọ̀jà, ọmọ tó tún mọ̀ sá, ọmọ tó mọ̀gbà tá ń jà, tó tún mọ̀gbà tá ń sá lójú ogun. Wàá ṣeré.